OnePlus Buds, 3 in ear, TWS, Bluetooth. Earbuds with up to 49 decibels, smart adaptive noise cancellation, high-res sound quality, sliding volume control, 10 minutes for 7 hours fast charging with up to 44 hours playback. About this item, best-in-class sound quality 10.4mm plus 6mm dynamic dual driver LHDC5.0 Bluetooth codec and high-resolution certification makes the product best in its sound quality with deeper bass, delicate treble and clear vocals, sliding volume control, slide on the surface of touch area of buds to adjust the volume. Sliding up increases the volume while sliding down decreases the volume. 49 decibels of adaptive noise cancellation. Advanced noise-canceling technology, coupled with a high-performance chip, elevates the depth of noise cancellation up to 49 decibels. This reduces noise, blocks out chaos, and allows users to enjoy music immersively. Dual connection. It can simultaneously connect to 2 devices such as Android, iOS, Windows smartphones, tablets, or computers, allowing for quick and seamless device switching. Battery life. It has 10 minutes of fast charging that gives 7 hours of playback time, with total music playback up to 44 hours with ANC off. IP55 rating. With IP55 dust and water resistance, there is no fear of sweating or rain.